Okay, group number 6, you may proceed. Group 6, you go ahead.
A pleasant day, everyone, especially to our panelists. Thank you for your time, for attending. It's an honor and privilege for us to be with. So we are here to present our project in the course of vibration engineering entitled Seis-MIC, Safety Alarm Through Sensing Vibration. Next slide, please. Next. So how can vibration be used as a factor of safety? We know that unplanned vibration or too much vibration can cause damage or malfunction to the machine. So the researchers come up with the idea to use vibration in a positive way, likewise as a safety by using our product Seis-MIC. The next part will be explained by Ms. Santos. Next slide, please. Nowadays, home security systems have been increasingly in demand and important, comprises in detecting a theft, trespassing, and carnapping. One of the passive technologies that has potential in monetizing security safety is through the use of vibration sensors. In this study, we make vibration-based sensing technologies that will alarm and make noise for the safety of humans as well as their assets. Next slide, please.
Here are the objectives of this product. First, safety. It ensures safety of the buyer. In reliability, it gives an accurate findings of issues and needed repairs. For innovative, a new product to the market. For predictability, it allows buyers to schedule repairs and procure necessary parts. For revenue, it avoids unexpected failures and helps prevent interruptions in the production, which therefore drives revenue and lessen cost. And last, for the alarming, it produces sound which will notice the buyer. Next slide, please.
Next slide, please. For the implementation of our product, we have tested with different types of trials to use and calibrate the vibration sensitivity of the product. For the first trial, we tested and calibrate its sensitivity. Can we play the first video, please?
Sorry, hindi siya ma-play.
For the second trial, we tested its sensitivity with force in impact with the product. Can we play the second video, please? Next slide, please. For its intruder feature, we conduct vibration through motorcycle vehicle theft scenario. Please play the video, please. Also, through a door intruder scenario with low applied force in it. Next slide, please. And also through a door intruder scenario with a high applied force in it. Here is an animation for possible scenario when using the product Seis-MIC. Next slide, please. Here is the schematic circuit diagram of the product. It composes of a IC chip, a resistor, spring, LED light, copper wire, switch button, transistor, electric wires, battery, and a buzzer alarm. Next slide, please. The assembly price of the product is roughly 200 pesos and be sold at a selling price about 200 to 250 pesos. So how can our product compete with other competitors? Example, for door alarms compared to our competitors, typical alarm has a specification of 97 decibels only, while the Seis-MIC has a specification of 120 decibels high noise and range to be able to utilize its capability to intrude. Another advantage, a door alarm function for the sensor to activate it needs the door to open to trigger the buzzer alarm. For our product, since it is based on vibration, it doesn't need the door to be open. For example, your door is locked and someone was trying to break in. So before the door is going to open, the Seis-MIC will alarm because vibration gave us more security, safety, time, and be alerted. And we know that it is good to invest more when it comes to our safety and security. Next slide, please.
For every product we produce, there's always room for improvement. And the researcher recommended for the future innovators and researchers to use a highly efficient vibration sensor alarm to improve the quality of the product, and it can be more futuristic by adding some features. Design a stable circuit with lesser space occupied. However, the quality and the effectiveness of this is still the same. Next slide, please.
And that concludes our presentation. Thank you, and we are open for comment, questions, suggestion, and recommendation.